How do you reset or replace the fuse for a Honeywell HC322 zone panel?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
All night.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope. None of the lights are showing. I'm assuming I blew a fuse or need to reset something. But I'm not sure.
Greetings, there is no fuse on that panel. Use a multimeter set on AC voltage to measure the voltage between R and C at the two terminals at the lower left of the panel. If you do not have power there, you need to locate the transformer that supplies the 24V. It should be a separate transformer as shown on its wiring diagram. Click here please, we can go from there. I am a retired mechanical engineer and HVAC/electrical/refrigeration and boiler contractor, with 56 years in this business. The last 20 of those years consulting for major firms nationally. All I ask is please select the rating link at the top of your page. That is the only way I'm credited through the site. Rating does not affect your charges nor ability to refund if not satisfied. If you need to be coached through a full diagnosis/repair, and wiring etc. for up to 2 days, and wish to be trained to use test instruments. That goes well beyond just a simple answer of course. Rate my simple answer so far positively. And I will deliver that training and coaching to you all on the same dime, so to speak. Attach a close-up photo of the wiring diagram glued to the inside of the blower access door, and I will mark it up with troubleshooting instructions, then follow up with step-by-step training and coaching until you have a solution. Photo must be exceedingly well focused. Use the Add Files link next to your Send button to get the photo tone. Phone call offers. If you wish to accept the company's $25 phone call offer, if indeed they send you one, this will go a lot faster, but it is 100% optional. Or we can continue here in this dialog box at no additional charge.
I've looked all over my house. I can't find my multimeter. I must have loaned it. Any other advice?
Hello, it's past my bedtime, sorry I missed your phone call request. If you are in right now I can call, if not I can call you in the morning, let me know, we can go from there without a time limit.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.